What's up, guys? Welcome back. Skibidi Toilet, Titan TV, Titan Man, Titan TV, Man. Fighting. I watched this. It was hilarious. He puts his dukes up and decides to go boxing. So I had to draw it. I just thought it was really funny, and he's got this derpy look on his face. So you might need a ruler to draw the main TV part anyway. Might need it for the sort of smaller ones, but just. We'll mark it out first, right? Like it's here. This is the sort of size we're talking about for the main screen, right? And we just join those together. Right? And then it comes down. I think I can keep this one pretty straight. There. There, and then join them together, sort of curves around here. I just thought this was so funny, I had to draw it. Right, and then there's an inside screen as well. We can kind of see some more of the bottom compared to the top. He's different to the original design. He's kind of more LCD screen rather than the static that was on him the first time. This is like the white section inside. It's more like a phone tablet screen now. Right, so then this sort of funny face he's pulling, it's just like a flat mouth. Like that, and then eyes, pupils. Like that. Right, so then we can see kind of the handle things on the side. Now there is tremendous detail in these characters, but I'll simplify the shapes a bit. So at least I assume these are handles. There is another screen behind these handles then. Just coming down pretty far into there, and then the white section inside. Another one on this side. There. And then he has these like fins or vents or something coming up along his head here. Alright, so these kind of spikes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, 6. Okay. And then there's backs of them that kind of go down this way. And then we have like another handle or something here. It's all just dark in here, black and stuff. And then another one. Coming out that way. Right, and then you got like 2 lasers or something. So like circle, the circle inside. The other one faces this way, but maybe I might just keep it symmetrical. So just put it the distance there, maybe. circle with a circle inside. And then there's this box behind it. Coming down there, like laser pointers or something on top. And then there does be spikes in behind here. Like that. Okay, so sticking up his dukes, right? So we're going to draw those arms first and then connect it up to his shoulders and then like add the details and stuff for the body shape and the other TV screens and everything, right? So his first knuckle hand situation, right, comes here. And you're just doing these knuckles that come along the top of his fist. And then you can see normally the little finger sort of like on the side of a fist there. And then this disappears down into his sleeve. But on this hand, he's got a blade, right? That's why it's kind of bumpy there. Right, a big sort of purple blade, right? Right, so it's kind of like glowing purple there. And then this disappears into his sleeve. Just there. So the gloves have some knuckles just along the top and then some lines that come down there. Now we might as well draw on the arm while we're here. So it goes, sort of wrinkles back here and up that way. The other hand comes across his face a little bit. So it just comes down. Knuckles like this. Little finger again on the side of the hand. And then this goes down this way. He's got a gun on this hand. So he's got a sword on that side and a gun on this side. But again, just some sort of rough knuckle shapes here. Anything you draw over, of course, you can erase. Back of the hand sort of lines there like that. And then his sleeve disappears in behind the gun that's there. We'll just go put the rest of his arm down to his elbow. We hit another screen that's there, right? So, rough hand shapes. Like that. His body's in here and his shoulders are out here, but there's all TVs and guns and stuff. So, say the easiest thing to do first is the body going that way. Okay. And then, so 2 more screens and a gun. We'll do, which side? We'll do this side first. So the gun is like a series of cylinders. So cylinders are drawn with a ellipse, a skinny circle on top, with the barrel of the gun with a hole in it like that. And then this goes diagonal, following the angle for his arm. Cylinder, right? Next, another cylinder. So basically it's cylinders of various shapes and sizes. Next one's a skinny one, then a bigger one, so they all like click into one another. And then a real big one. And this one kind of has a kink in it, sort of there. Might be some lines on this section. and something like maybe an aimer here. Now I've simplified that a bit, so if you want to add more detail to it, you can. There is another TV screen on his arm here. Rectangle. Simply like that. It's got a bit of an edge to it. And then the inner screen part. Like so. So it's like his edge sort of here as well. And there's like some more sort of lines here. Oh yeah, there's those spiky things. There's another sort of box or something there. You can see maybe a bit of a shoulder there. The other shoulder comes down to a vent or a box. Right, and then that covers that way. And just connect all these up into here then. These sorts of shapes. Like that. And that's his elbow. And what else? Right, there's a big blade. These are the spikes that are on the shoulder. Like so. And then more detail then in here. So screen line inside, belt curving down that way, around there, and then we have this sort of arc reactor laser thing coming in here, and there's loads of spikes and stuff on it. So say the spikes, right? One comes in from like his knuckle here, another one there, and then one there. Then we got like circles inside. Now if you have a compass or a stencil or something that's circular that you can draw around to get these a bit more circular for yourself, feel free to do it. Or you can attempt to do it freehand like a madman like me. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but we do our best. I guess his jacket line would go down there. He's got like lots of different sort of boxes and stuff. Doop. Right, and I'm going to add maybe like a few more sort of circles just inside this. Kind of like a bullseye, you know. And it's kind of glowing purple inside the main part. Doop. And then he's got some metal things here, like a connector or something there. And then just like rectangles and spikes and stuff on top there. And of course I'll erase the lines that are under there when I'm coloring. Okay, but I think that's the best I can do. Titan TV Man, or TV Titan Man. No, it's Titan TV Man, right? Boxing, fighting, with a funny face. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.